Welcome back to our math class. Today's date is 4/12/2020 and the day is Friday. And we are on chapter multiplication. Today we are going to do the last objective of this chapter. Yes, are you ready for it? So before we start, tell me what all we have done in multiplication. Do you all remember what we have done? We have done multiplication with numbers and multiplication with object, isn't it? Today we are going to see how we are going to solve the word problems. Okay. So the objective is to solve this is the last objective of the chapter multiplication, to solve word problems. We have done word problems with addition and word problems with subtraction. Today we are going to do it with multiplication. So this is the first sum of word problems. So before we start, let's read it. The problem says cost of one book is $5. What is the cost of one book? You will write $5 one book. Yes. Then the question is, what is the cost of 3 books? We have to find the cost of 3 books. So we have to find out the cost of 3 books. The problem says the one book is for $5. We have to find the cost of 3 books. So we have written 5 and then we will write 3 over here. Yes, 5 and 3. Now we are going to multiply. For multiplication, as I had said, you will have to learn your tables very thoroughly so that you can solve all the sums very quickly and easily. So 5 3s are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So the answer is $15. That means cost, you will write like this, cost of 3 books equals to $15. Yes, you got how we did. The cost of one book is given, that is $5. We had to find out cost of 3 books. So we did 5 3s are and we got the answer that $15. In $15 we will get 3 books. Let's move to the second example. Now it says there are 8 balls in a box. How many balls in 4 boxes? The problem says there are 8 balls in a box. So we will write 8 balls in one box. Yes. Now we have to find how many balls in 4 boxes. How many balls? We have to find out how many balls in how many boxes? 4 boxes. So I have written 8 and then I wrote 4. Now we are going to multiply to find out the answer. So we will start counting the table of 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. So we got the answer as 32 balls in 4 boxes. How did we do it? We knew that there are 8 balls in a box and then we had to find out how many balls in 4 boxes. So we did 8 4s are and we got the answer as 32 balls in 4 boxes. Now let's move forward to our next example. So this problem says cost of a flower is $7. From this we come to know that one flower will cost us $7. Then we have to find out what is the cost of 7 flowers. Yes, the cost of one flower is 7 and we have to find equals to 1 floor. Yes? We have to find out the total amount of 7 flowers. So we will write 7 and we will do the multiplication to find out the total cost of 7 flowers. So we will start counting the table of, we will start seeing the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49. So we know that the cost of 7 flower is $49. Yes, cost equals to 7 flowers. So we got the answer as 49. So we know that if we go and buy 7 flowers, it is going to cost us $49. This sum will become very easy if you learn your tables thoroughly. It says 3 balloons in a bunch. There are bunches of balloons. So in one bunch there are 3 balloons and we have to find out how many balloons in 4 bunches. So we will write 3 balloons in one bunch. Yes? We have to find out how many balloons in 4 bunch. So we have to find out how many balloons in 4 bunch. So we will multiply 3 by 4. So we will start counting the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So the answer is 12 balloons in 4 bunches. Yes? We knew that there are 3 balloons in one single bunch. We had to find out how many balloons in 4 bunches. So we did 3 and we multiplied it by 4 and we got the answer as 12 balloons in a bunch. So this is the way we are going to solve the word problems with multiplication. Yes? Now I am going to send you all a homework from your workbook and you all are going to do it very neatly and send me a clear picture of it. Now we will meet in our next class and inshallah we'll start with a new chapter. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.